I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one. I'm AI with the designs, do-rag. Bounce back, game good while we talking practice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pull up score when I want to. Best thing that's to heaven. They be tryna count me out though. I'm just counting blessings. A real woman by the pay. Niggas don't know where I came from. Where I really came up. You never could say I'm lacking. All the shit I've been through only made me more of an assassin. I kill 'em with compassion. And baby, if they asking, tell 'em. I go crazy. To the face, you showed up to see me lose, but I overcome, so you overcame. Basic, ain't nothing about me. Basic, crazy, I'm crazy. Better watch what you say to me, cause young swag got the answers. Give 'em hell, give 'em pressure. Big couch, no manners. Dirty dancing. Take a look at what I did. Go for circle with the rich. Whipping out the grid. Get a handful of this nasty. I got it, and you gon' respect it. Ain't nothing gon' stop me from making it happen. So baby, if they asking, tell 'em. I go crazy.
Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a babe, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make 'em drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got that ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, and then I'm on tomorrow. That's how I feel, act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make 'em drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, catch your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you...
Alright you guys, so this is my skin up close after I'm done There's nothing on my skin, of course. I have little bumps, that's okay. But look at how shiny and just healthy my skin looks. Oh my gosh, like I look like a glazed donut, chocolate donut. But I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys try out these products. Let me know how they do for you. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye.